Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dark Souls 3 online. First, you will need to acquire the game files. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay. You will also need to install essential software like DirectX and Visual C++ runtime libraries. These components are crucial for the game to run correctly and prevent common errors. Always verify the integrity of your game files before proceeding to the next steps. Next, you will need to prepare your game for online connectivity. This involves downloading a specific online fix or modification package. Once downloaded, carefully extract all the contents of this package directly into your main Dark Souls 3 game folder. It is very important to allow these new files to overwrite any existing ones when prompted. This step ensures that the necessary modifications for online play are correctly applied to your game installation. With the modifications in place, you are now ready to connect to an online server. Launch Dark Souls 3 using the new, modified executable file, not the original one. Once the game loads, navigate to the Online Features section from the main menu. Here, you should be able to see options to join a private server or a community-run instance. Follow the on-screen instructions to establish your connection and begin your online adventure. Finally, here are some troubleshooting tips to ensure a smooth online experience. If you encounter connection issues, first check your firewall settings to ensure Dark Souls 3 is allowed network access. Regularly look for updates to the online fix or the game client itself, as these often resolve bugs. For persistent problems, consult dedicated community forums. Many players share solutions for common issues. Enjoy exploring the world of Dark Souls 3 with others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.